Hi, my name is Miguel Lopez,
My name is Luis Perez.
and our project is about trend markets, specifically superfoods. And we talked to a friend of mine, and he has a company named Sustainable Ingredients, and he allows us to ask him some questions about his company, his demand, and he let us talk to his customers in order to get the information we need. So he he has a marketer of superfoods, and he has three ingredients that we consider in our Markov chain because are the most popular ingredients. The three ingredients has a lot of protein and vitamins. So we ask the people about the the type of ingredient they consume, and if they will be if they will accept another ingredient in order to change the benefits of the first one. For example, if I consume first of all, there are three ingredients. The three ingredients we choose are spirulina, moringa, and cacao. So, for example, if I consume spirulina, I have to say if I could change the spirulina for cacao or for moringa, and the results we got from that surveys we did are these. So, first of all, we are going to say the amount of protein and vitamin A for each ingredient. For spirulina, we have 57.9 grams of protein and 0.47 micrograms of vitamin. Milligrams of vitamin A. For cacao, we have 23 grams of protein and 10.5 of milligrams of vitamin A. For moringa, we have 27 grams of protein and 18.9 milligrams of vitamin A. Then we ask the people for their preferences, and these are the results.
So for the first one, we started analyzing, starting with moringa, and we got all these interviewing 25 customers while we were there speaking with the CEO, and we used the method of non-absorbent Markov chains, and we did it for 6 periods, and to see how the customers that were currently consuming moringa would evolve, because the owner had the question of what would happen in 6 months. So we can see that at the end, we have that 63% of the people that were consuming moringa will probably be switching over to spirulina, and 12% would be consuming cacao, and 24.6% would keep consuming moringa. We did the same for the other two. We started with cacao, and at the end we can see that after 6 months, similar results of 63.8% would be consuming spirulina, 13.4% cacao, and 22.8% would be consuming moringa. And finally, for spirulina, we did the same analysis, and we came to the conclusion that 63.5% would stick with spirulina, and with cacao and moringa, we would have 12.8% and 23.7% respectively. So we averaged them all out, and at the beginning we had a demand of 26 kilograms per month. That's the data they gave us currently. So at the beginning, these were distributed out with 61.5%, 15.4%, and 23.1% for each of the supplements. And at the end, this is the average that we got from the 3 analysis. So if the demand were to continue at 26 kilograms per month, a possible forecast would be that it would change slightly, but it would change to 16.51% for spirulina, 3.3 for cacao, and 6.1 kilograms of moringa would be sold. Consider if the demand were to stay the same, these would be able to be applied for a demand forecast to see how the demand would grow in the future.
Thanks.